What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name's Tanner Eskew, and today is the final day on the farm. I hope you guys are enjoying this PR Puerto Rico series. It's been an exciting trip for me, and I hope you guys enjoy as well. So, today's the last day on the farm, like I said. I'm walking down to the store right now to get breakfast. My brother's still up there. He's sleeping. It's like 7, a little past 7. And so we're sleeping in today, hanging out. What we're going to do is we're going to get my brother's house up there totally organized and totally cleaned. So last time we were here, we did the electricity and everything. And since then, he finally has moved into the new addition. But he hasn't organized anything, hasn't cleaned anything. So we're going to do that today. Before I leave, he's going to be totally organized, totally cleaned, very functional, the way it should be. Alright? What else we got on the menu for today? Yeah, so like I said, today's the last day on the farm. Tomorrow we're going to be leaving the farm pretty early because my flight's at 3 o'clock. But we're going to drive to San Juan and go to Costco and do some other things. So, yeah, I'm going to catch up with you guys here in a little while after I get my sandwich and do my morning thing. Stay cool, stay tuned. Please go down, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. My analytics tell me that only 46% of you that watch my videos are subscribed. It's always changing. That means 46, that means 54% of you that are watching my videos are not subscribed. So if you like my content, please consider going down there and hitting that subscribe button. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't give a damn. Thanks. I thought for sure somebody would jump on this metal. Nobody picked it up. We're gonna have to find another way to get rid of it. Interesting. Of course I forgot a face cover, so the whole time I'm in there like this. It works. It works. Alright, we're waiting for the sandwich, and then we're gonna head back up to the farm, get to work for the day, help get my brother organized and cleaned and feeling good. Yes! See you guys up there. This little guy just chilling with me. Good morning, Hebo. Good morning, Gusto. Yeah, it's a good morning, huh? Is this what you want? He's awake. There he is. Got an onion, bro. Wow. For tonight.
Anything and lutein, what was the other one that had both of those? Eggs. Z is in my giant watch. But I got this on the cruise last year.
And I won't pray that day doesn't come. yeah, yeah, yeah.
These pictures are nice. With your beard and your long hair.
Bro, it's a different world. Different fucking world, bro.
That was crazy, bro. Who made those for you?
Yara, bro.
Oh, she's landing them.
Fucking Yara, bro.
The thing won't focus on it. Need some better lighting.
It's toasty as fuck.
Solid, man. Moving on to the restroom. Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Everything out, man.
Yeah, everything. Alright, let's do it. What up, vlog? We out here listening to some Tosh, cleaning some bees. Alright, it's been a long time. It's been a couple hours, maybe a few hours, I don't know, but the place is coming along nice. It looks honestly rather empty. We cleaned out the bathroom and we put the shelf in there. And we put everything that didn't have a home on the shelf, so let's go check it out. Yeah, bro, it looks pretty empty in here. So like, everything's a single layer, nothing's stacked. I know it might look a little disorganized, but it's organized, and my brother can come in here and find everything that he needs right on the shelf. So my brother's friend is coming over in a little while, 30 or 45 minutes, and then we're gonna go do a farm tour, and we'll keep plugging away at the house, just trying to get things cleaned up, organized, and feeling good before we leave. So what do you think, man?
Looks good.
Looks real good. Wow, your room, bro?
Clean, dude.
Clean, dude. It's nice. Alright, y'all. The house is semi-clean. It's getting there, but we're having lunch right now. Pasta, and Miguel came over. What's up, Miguel?
How's it going, guys?
Fist bump the camera.
Oh, boom.
Oh, there we
I
go.
was gonna show the food. That's awesome. Thank
we
you.
go.
Yep. Really good.
Where's your food at, bro?
Bro, I'm not hungry right now, bro.
Yeah, saving it for later, huh? Saving it for later, huh? We should have came up here, bro, and made it better.
What happened, dude?
Oh, we didn't.
Fucking up.
Oh man, but it's still alive.
Yeah, see, look at that new
It's
growth.
got, yeah.
But still, dude.
This is how my trees are, dude. The jackfruit right now, it's still not this bad, but
Fuck, dude.
it's about to get there. It's all yellowing.
Dude, I hope it's some rain, dude.
A lot have died. I mean, that durian you gave me died.
No, dude. If I had one good rain, my whole tank would be full. One
Your tank's
good rain.
empty right now?
It's not empty, dude, but it's close. We're fucking on edge here.
Damn. I'm low too.
Damn.
It is
One of my
good.
tanks is empty, and the other tank is like halfway there. Yeah, don't even touch him. Don't even touch it.
We're starting the tour up here because we got some trees and stuff planted. This is my grafted rambutan. Pero it's not looking
so hot.
It's not so hot, dude.
Oh no!
Oh, fuck, Miguel, bro, dude!
Oh my god, I just touched it.
Dude, you knocked it off, bro. We need some good rain.
That's good, dude.
Here comes some rain. Hopefully we got some rain coming up here, but if not, dude, I watered it yesterday and we're committed to keeping it alive. So whatever happens, this thing looks really good.
So you've been watering? What have you been watering?
Coffee.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Yeah, that's how they do
I
it.
didn't know that.
Yeah. And we got a grapefruit right here. This one's probably ready to pick, dude.
It looks like it is, bro. It's almost pink.
Let's get on it, bro. Yeah, these are okay, dude, but they're not the best.
Show the camera, dude.
This came with the farm.
I was checking
bro.
it out, dude.
This was here when we bought the farm, right?
Yeah, this is here when we bought it. And we got the fucking durian, dude.
The durian, the king,
Wow, dude.
the king of the jungle.
Way, dude.
Dude, oh my god, this looks amazing.
Dude, we got a whole vision. We're gonna level this whole thing out, dude. From here, we're gonna have a wall going all the way to there, dude. Level, and we're gonna have a shop right there.
Wrap around that way?
Yeah, let's go that way, hit the star fruits, and come back around this way.
I see it.
Yeah. Alright, so I guess this is going to be part 2 of the farm tour, and we're going to hit a couple things back up here at the beginning that we missed the first time. So,
Alright, handoff.
and yeah, so this is the spot.
This is a great spot.
Fuck yeah, it is. Yeah, so the road comes in from over there. This is the driveway. Coming down, hold the vision, house right here.
Wait, let me get down there.
Yeah, you gotta see it, bro. You don't like my lawnmower? What's the deal? Of course, after the farm tour, getting ready for dinner.
Chop chop.
Chef Hayden
Make some sauce.
on the beat.
Sweet potatoes and carrots, and we're gonna put half an onion, and then we're putting that on some yuca pizza.
Yeah, we are.
We have it thawing out this morning.
Yuca
It's gonna
pizza.
be Superb.
It's gonna be good. You staying for dinner?
I'm excited.
Sweet.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Heck yeah.
Sure. Yeah. We've been feasting out here, bro.
Bro, it looks so good out there.
Yeah, this good.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you guys are killing it. That looks good. I'm already into it.
Now you get on it.
Now you're good, bro. Keep going.
So what's this sauce made from?
Dude, pumpkin or potato,
Okay.
sweet potato, alright, carrot,
walnuts, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, turmeric. It's really
The
nice.
crust looks really good. It looks crispy. Look.
Yeah, dude.
Right, it's right there.
Fuck yeah, bro.
A good onion, a little pepper on top.
Bro, that's the shot.
Wow.
That's fire. You did that, bro. Good job.
Yeah,
We did it.
get it together.
Awesome.
Tough, man. It's gonna be tough.
You got it.
We got it, bro.
Wow, bro. We promised while we were doing the farm tour, we had a mulberry.
Here we go. I'll take the small one.
Okay.
I'll take it, dude.
my
Cheers.
piece right here.
Alright, right here.
Cheers.
Cheers, bros.
Oh, sweet.
Wow. Explosion of flavor.
Dude, wait
Yes.
till we got a whole fucking handful of this.
I know.
Oh my god.
That was
It's gonna
good.
be nice.
All right, dinner's almost ready, and I'll show you guys the final product when it's all done. Bro, yeah, did yourself there, bro. That shit looks. That's how we do it out here in the mountains. Homemade pizza, vegan, and gluten free too, right?
Yeah, man.
You gotta tell me how to make that crust. Alex is gonna love it. All right, we're gonna eat.
This week there. Right, man.
Round two.
Round two, bro.
Yeah. Shit's good, man. Shit, 1%. Oh my god. Yo, dude, thanks for coming to chill.
Yeah, dude.
Give me some nugs.
It was nice meeting you, man.
Appreciate it. Oh, you're not coming back either, man? Alright, peace. Later. Alright, y'all. Our friend Miguel has left. Sun's gone down. Bro's half asleep on the couch over there. We are checking out. We're signing out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go down there. Give me a big thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a big thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you hated or didn't like. Yeah, tell me what you hated or liked about it. Either way, I don't give a damn. I'll see you on the next one. Peace, guys. Stay cool.